Epic Skylanders update. Here we have all of the swappers pictures confirmed, and now for the ultimate awesome part. As we can see, there it is, Dune Bug. Look at him, he's so awesome. Wind Up and Punch Shock. As you can see, Punch Shock is a female water Skylander, and Wind Up some kind of male claw. There is Scratch, something related to Whirlwind, kind of. It is a female. And yes, Series 2 Camo! Woohoo! I do not have the name for it yet, but I will soon. Hyper Beam Prison Break. Look at that, it's red now. Ooh! Here is Turbo Jetvac. Nothing else special. Horn Blast Whirlwind with some awesome armor on. Yeah, this. Woo! Phantom Cynder. Check that out. Sorry that this is blurry. And I do not still have pictures for non-microgram Creeper, Starstrike, nor Smolder Dash. Still not the picture of Light Core Countdown, Wham Shell, or Bumble Blast, nor my Nitro Magnet Charge, but I think I can get an optimal picture of it. As it is the Epic Skylanders update. I am excited, and my predictions when I pick up Swap Force, that is right. I pre-ordered it. I'll get Washbuckler, Boss Zone, and new stuff up. And I may get the Dark Edition starter pack for my birthday. And if I see Phantom Cynder on the shelf, I will grab it automatically and get it with Swap Force. So that was my Epic Skylanders update. I hope this really helped you and make you stop begging. I wonder when Punch Shock. I hope it's... Where's Punch Shock? I hope it's Camo. That's the life. I wonder how Hyper Beam Prism. Even I was saying, where's the photo of Phantom Cynder? I'm breaking out. Well, there you go.